Or is that just the straight up title of the game? Amazon MMO, that's right. I remember now. Some people are talking about that. Not much into MMOs myself. Always loved the idea of them as a kid, but playing them is just the most tedious stuff. I take it you played the beta or something? Lego, I love Magic the Gathering and TFT? Enjoy/am decent at. TFT. Guys, please, I'm a boomer. Help me out here. Teamfight Tactics, right, yep, okay, with you. Isn't it like Battle Chess or something? Yeah, Auto Chess Battler, yeah. Yep. I can't keep up with all the damn acronyms you crazy kids have. £50 really converted to 95.39? Yes, it is. That's, Wait, really? Hold on, that seems a lot, actually. I would have thought it was more like 70. Oh, hey guys, good news. My COVID test came back negative. That's pretty poggy woggy. What was I doing? Going to converter. Yeah, £50, $95. That's kind of insane. Is that really how much the game was? Masters in TFT, Mythic in Magic the Gathering, Legend in Hearthstone, card type games are my jam. It seems that way. Gee whiz. What about Yu-Gi-Oh? Do you play Yu-Gi-Oh? I like Yu-Gi-Oh because I'm a child. I enjoy children's card games. But I don't sweat at that either. I'm very, very casual. And yes, negative. I had a feeling. Yes, I did say Poggy Woggy. You give me so much for saying something like that back in the day. Trust me. The brainworms, Freedom, they're real. No Yu-Gi-Oh! And no Pokemon for me. See, those would be the only ones I'd be able to play with you. I do get all the time for it, and it just fuels me. It only makes me stronger. Welcome back, Ewokey. Before you ask how the Lego goes, Ewokey. Wonderfully. Thank you for asking. Also, I do think there's a difference between saying something like that ironically and unironically, and I'm saying it ironically. But it is like right on the threshold. Yeah, that is a huge jump. That I feel like the British pound must have dropped or something, because I don't feel like it was that big of a difference recently. Yes, it is the hip hop car, Pom. And it sure is something. I mean, it's got fins. That's very important. Oh god, there goes my knolling. Save fins. Good god, I just ruined all my knolling. No! Nah, stuff it. Does it have raise and pose too? I don't know what those are, but I'm going to say yes. Yeah, exactly, Vix. I don't feel like it was that more like that until recently. I guess we could check the graphs. Oh, Finn, Rey, Poe, Star Wars. That is funny. I just know so little about car stuff that I just assume, you know, like you could tell me to head down to the mechanic store and get a reach around, and I'd be like, yeah, all right, no worries, I'll go order that, you know. I just take it at face value. I just trust you on these things. Yeah, probably the currency has fluctuated, Vix. I'd say.
Here you go, Sook boy.
Darcy, thank you. Did you just spit in it?
No.
It looks like you did. Look, I don't know, guys. It kind of looks like she spat in it to me. Yeah, she spat in it. So lemony. So lemony, it's snicket. Ah. Yeah, I did need it though. My throat was starting to hurt again. You guys have got me talking so much. Much better. Right. Let's finish this thing. If I finish soon, I might still be able to play some Splatoon before bed. If you don't want to talk, feel free. I'll just sit here in silence. And you guys can just watch. I won't even try to be entertaining. And yes, I am trying to be entertaining. There we go. Square, no square, why? What? Which part? Huh? Oh, hey, Duro. I'm back from sleeping. If Duro's back, and if Duro intends to stick around, we might do another set after all. I can Sploon without using my voice, Corn? Like, I want to play video games. Is that so wrong? Alright, Duro, if you're here till the end, would you like to see this get built? Because we could do it. Alright. We'll build it after this is done. Triple feature. Let's go. We're here all night. And that triple feature could be yours with a low price of 5,000 bits. Just kidding. I'll be doing it anyway. Triple feature. Another bop. Another great track. Now I'm going to build this, and I want you to tell me what it looks like to you guys. It's all good, Vix. I can talk. You prepaid. Yes, true. You paid 5,000 bits at the start of the stream. You're good. We got the triple feature happening. But yeah, as I build this, I want you to tell me what you think it looks like. Because I feel like it looks like something in particular, and I want to know if you guys think so too. Now, really, did that need to be two separate pieces? Just to inflate the piece count a bit. It shouldn't be looking like anything to you just yet, for the record.